We're now going to help Bit by Bit, a construction company, create blueprints for a new residential area. However, before we dive into that task, let's talk about the importance of instructions. Instructions are a part of something called programming languages. These special languages have their own sets of words and rules. Therefore, learning programming is basically like learning a new language. But why would we need a programming language? Imagine trying to describe a picture of a cool robot to your friend. If your friend doesn't understand the language you're speaking, then all you will hear is gibberish. You must use the language that you both share so that you can communicate clearly. Since programmers wanted to be understood by computers, they created programming languages. Throughout the course, we'll learn how to use the JavaScript programming language. First, let's start by learning a new word from this new language. We're going to use the instruction square.draw to draw the building plans. To make this instruction work, we need to give it two pieces of information. We call a piece of information required by an instruction a parameter. In this case, our square.draw instruction requires two parameters, which are numbers. The first number represents the x-coordinate, while the second number represents the y-coordinate. So by writing square.draw 3, 1, we can draw a square at the x-coordinate 3 and the y-coordinate 1. One important thing to note is that you must separate each parameter of the square.draw instruction with a comma. Now, let's try it ourselves. Using the code editor, let's add a black square at the coordinates 3, 4 and another one at 3, 7. Once you've added a square.draw instruction for each building, hit Run Code to see your plan come to life. If one square does not show up correctly, make sure you separated the coordinates properly by a comma.